I've been telling you about the hair restoration surgery of an on, and today I will explain it to you that when you are coming to me from far places like Europe, USA, or from North America or Europe, UK, then I could do a few new things for you that we can combine linear strip surgery and FUE to give you good appearance or lots of hair in the big bald areas. But thing is, don't go with the people who've been saying or doing fake things on the videos, like they can over harvest the donor area in FUE procedure, or there is no concept of mega sessions in FUE procedure only, because we need to save the donor area. We need to transfer the most permanent hair in the recipient area from permanent donor area from back of the head. So if a surgeon who is intending to do both the procedure, then he is expert in FUT and FUE equally, he would be the best person for you, because he can decide on both procedures, like when to do FUT and when to do FUE